Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a cutscene in Roblox Studio. This should be quite an easy tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your web browser. Then in the search bar, search for Roblox. And here's the first website, click to open it. Now here first you need to log in with your account here. Once you logged in, then on the top here, click on Create here. Then on the next page here, on the top side here, from these options, click on this option store here to go to store. And in the store here, you will get vehicles, structures, lights, tech, and other, but I am searching for cutscene here. So in the search bar, search for codes otaku cutscene. And now here we are. You can use it in your inventory because it's free to use. Now here you can read its description and also check it reviews. So simply click on this button, Get Model here, and this cutscene is added to your inventory. Now you can find this cutscene in your inventory on Roblox Studio, so just go back to Roblox Studio. And now here in the Home tab, click on Toolbox here, and then on the right side here, click on Create Store icon here, then select Plugins here. And then in the search bar here, search for codes otaku cutscene here, and you can find the codes otaku cutscene here. Or you can simply click on this button, Try in Studio, and then click on Open Roblox Studio, and then you will be redirected to Roblox Studio with this RNG kit. So go back to Roblox Studio, and simply click on codes otaku cutscene here, and installed it, once it will be installed. Then on the top side here, go to Plugins here, and here you can find the option Cutscene plugin. So just simply click on it, and Cutscene Editor will appear on the left side here. First name your cutscene, and then click on Create button here to create a new cutscene. Once you created, then now you can use these options below to create a cutscene here. You can zoom in and zoom out in cutscene. You can tilt in cutscene. You can delay after any point, set duration, select type, set interval, playback, and more. You can use all these options to create a cutscene. So, in this way, you can make a cutscene in Roblox Studio